Okay, so I'm gonna try to get scratches out of my hood. Let's go with these ones. With Mothers California Gold. It was a good price. And you know, right on the front of it says see the difference, so we shall see. I'm just gonna lay this shit on there, I don't even care. Yeah. Oh, Peter North. So it says you have to use a microfiber cloth. I tried it with a sponge on another area and it definitely didn't work. Well, let's see what happens here. Gonna give it some nice pressure with the microfiber cloth. Damn, that actually worked really well. Woo! Nice. Alright guys, well, you saw it here first. Toodles! Alright, well, let's see what happens. I just globbed it on there. And you have to use a microfiber cloth like the other video says, or it's not going to work. So, let's give it a shot. Apply some good pressure. Alright, let's see what happens here. This is why you never park in the front of a damn parking lot, because these bastards are always fucking swinging their doors open with the trucks. You know, compensating guys with the little wee-wees. I would say that definitely looks better. I probably could have put a little more right here. I'm going to keep applying it, but it's definitely better than it looked. 100%. So, yeah. I mean, I would say it works pretty well. Alright guys, later.